Good morning dear students, welcome back to maths class. In today's class we are going to start a new topic which is very interesting, and we will learn smallest and greatest numbers in ordering. So today we are going to start the ascending and descending order of numbers. In today's maths class, we will learn greatest number and smallest numbers along with ascending order and descending order from 1 to 99. What means ascending and descending orders? Ascending orders means arranging numbers from small to big. In ascending order, we go small to big number. Children, when we move from downstairs to upstairs is called ascending order. Children, always remember in ascending order, numbers always keep on increasing order. Children, what means descending order? Descending order means numbers from big to small. When we move upstairs to downstairs, it is called descending order. Always remember that in descending order, the number always keep on decreasing order. Children, let's start ascending order first. Okay, so we have learned in ascending order we go to downstairs to upstairs. Look at the numbers 2, 8, 5, 1. In the left side we here is given 1 to 10 number series, and we know we have to go smallest to greatest number. So in the number series 1 to 10, which number is smallest? 1 is smallest, so we will write 1 in circle, then we will write 2, then we will write 5, then we will write 8. So 1 is the smallest number and 8 is the greatest number in this series. So we will go smallest to greatest number in ascending order. In next example we have 13, 17, 14. So children, the given number which is the smallest number? So 13 is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? 17 is the greatest numbers. Right, 17 is the greatest number. In ascending order we should start with the smallest number. So 13 is the smallest number, that is 13 will come first, next number will be number 14, then comes number 17. Children, if we don't know the greatest, which is greatest and which is smallest numbers, we can identify the tens or ones place. So in this series tens place are same and we will go on ones place. In number 13 have 3 ones, in number 17 have 7 ones, and in number 14 4 have 4 ones. So we can know the greatest number and smallest number with the help of ones or tens. In this series 13 is the smallest number and 17 is the greatest number. So what will be the ascending order? The ascending order will be 13, then 14, then 17. Children, now we will do descending order. In descending order we comes upstairs to downstairs. So look at the number 11, 17 and 15. We have number 11, 1 and 17, 15. So children, among the given number, which is the smallest number? 11 is the smallest numbers and which is the greatest number? That is right, 17 is the greatest numbers in this series. So we in descending order we should start with the greatest number. So children, in this series 11 is a smallest number and 17 is a greatest number. So what will be the descending order? The descending order will be first comes 17, then 15, then 11. In descending order also we can find the greatest and smallest number with the help of tens and ones. So in this series number 11 have 1 ones, number 17 have 7 ones, and number 15 have 5 ones. So in ones place, which is the smallest and which is the greatest number? So 11 is a 1 is a smallest number and 7 is a greatest number. So children's greatest number 17, then smallest number 15, then smallest number 11 will become in descending order. Children, look at the next example. We have number 22, 37 and 60, 60. So we have to arrange these all numbers in descending order. So what numbers will come in descending order first? So we will start from greatest number. So 60 is a greatest number, 22 is the smallest number, and 37 is also smallest to 60. So children, what will be the descending order of this series? The number greatest number 60 will come first, then 37, and the smallest number will become in last. So children, today we have learnt ascending and descending order. In ascending order, we go to downstairs to upstairs, and in descending order we come upstairs to downstairs. Thank you children. Have a nice day.